well, as you can see, I got myself a box in the mail. So this is going to be a mail call to pacificdrumma. Big shout out to him for sending me all this stuff. And sorry if this camera angle is a little bit crooked here. Using a tripod. So, don't really use the tripod, or at least not this tripod that I'm using right now that often, so let's go ahead and see what we got ourselves in the box here. Bubble wrap. We gotta get that on video. You had an ad for this stuff out on the Facebook page, so anyway, package nuts here. Turn this around so you guys can see what you're looking at. I can't see what you guys are looking at. Alright, cool. So, got ourselves one 3-point arm. Two 3-point arms. You guys can't even see that. Got ourselves a Onan muffler. Well, it doesn't have the pipe, so I'm still gonna have to make those, but this is in much better shape than mine. Oop, some stuff came out of it. Oops. Oop. Got that. We got ourselves more bubble wrap. This is the seat bracket for my yeah, GT18, or part of it, because I robbed the one for my Suburban 10. There's more of it in here, I think. Yep, here it is. Here's the rest of it. I probably don't even really need this whole thing. I just need no, I do need the whole thing. Oh well, I could probably like take that part off or something. Yep, there's that. Yeah, a little rusty, but that don't matter. That don't matter to me. GT18's already pretty rusty, so. And let's see what else we have here. Got ourselves a long-handled black 3-point hitch. Oh, that's nice. I even got the extension handle. No, that's the lift. One lift rod. And here's the plate itself. Yep, I got me a long-handled black 3-point hitch. This is for the GT18 for Pennsylvania Plow Day. Stuff here at the bottom. Got a Onan shroud cover for the GT18. We got ourselves the other 3-point lift rod. I probably honestly could have made these myself, but why not? I need something to be base these off of anyway, so if I do decide to go and make more, I can use these. So, and I think there should be a couple of headlights. Oh, what do we have here? I'm not sure what this is for. I'm thinking this is another part for the 3-point hitch. I haven't owned a Sears 3-point hitch before, so I don't really know all this stuff. So, and should be, like I said before, should be a couple lights. Packing peanuts, man. Phew, packing peanuts, man. One little. Oh, hey, look. Bubble wrap. Oh, that was a good one. Alright, I think that's all of it. Yep, that's everything. So, allow me to get this I'm gonna get this cleaned up here, guys, and then we'll yeah. Here, I gotta loosen this here. So allow me to get this cleaned up, and then we'll let's take a look at the parts. Alright, so I'll give you guys a better rundown of what we got here. As you can see, I don't have all this cleaned up yet, but we got ourselves basically a complete long-handled black 3-point hitch. This is for the GT18. I got a muffler off of a 16 or 18 horsepower Onan with the 2-in-1, which is fine by me. This is going to go on the SS16. Get a motor. Oh, look at there. It even has the grip on it, too. Look at that. This 3-point plate's actually in pretty good shape. I'll probably put a coat of paint on it so I can make everything match. Scissors. And I got myself a seat bracket for the GT18. These are the lift rods for the 3-point hitch. As you can obviously see, they don't match, but that's okay. They will match. They can match. I can make them match really easily. This here is the part of the seat bracket, and I do have a Onan shroud now for the GT18, and I think that's pretty much it. So yeah, I just want to give a big shout out to Hugh, Pacific Drumma. These parts are going to come in real handy. I needed some of these parts. Actually, I needed all these parts. I got to get this painted for the for the GT18, because it might look a little strange there with the black engine and the yellow cover. But I did need this. This is what I've been looking for quite a while, because I don't know what happened to mine. I took it off and I lost it. So I know it's hanging around here somewhere, and I will eventually find it. So, but for now, I'm going to use this one. It's going to go on there, and yeah, we're going to have a side cover on the GT18 once again. It's going to look ugly, but it's okay. The GT18 isn't that pretty right now. That was kind of my fault, though. So, yeah. Packing peanuts are everywhere now. So that's pretty much a good rundown of all the stuff I got. It will all go to good use. This 3-point was like super important. So not to mention I have the long handle version, which is going to be awesome for Pennsylvania Plow Day. So I do plan on going this year. So now that I have all this stuff, I didn't really need this for the GT18, but it's there. That part right there is pretty much for the SS16, and then this seat bracket right here is for the GT18. So, and it looks like my dog wants to be on YouTube. So there's the dog. There's Ferg, little YouTube dog. So you guys will be seeing more videos of this, and I think we got ourselves a pretty big snowstorm coming. So a little later here, I'm going to add on the cold start and just making sure that the Suburban 10's all ready to go. So get more of that big bubble wrap. Oh, that one sucks. There we go. Yeah. This probably may not have been the most eventful video, but yeah, we'll be out in the shop here again, making some cold start videos of the tractors. So I'm just glad all this stuff came in. Huge thanks to Hugh, Pacific Drumma. Go check out his channel. He's got some awesome stuff. He's currently building the Super Diesel GT16D with a 3-cylinder Yanmar diesel, I believe it is. 3-cylinder Yanmar out of a John Deere, and it's been switched to a gear drive. If you want all the details, go to Hugh's channel and check it out. And then he's also got a little 8XL with the diesel on it, and then he's got a pretty mint 67 Suburban 10. Really? Yeah, he's got a pretty mint 67 Suburban 10. And really nice Hydro Track 12 69, I believe it is. And he's got a pretty nice looking 1996 GMC. So go check out his channel, and I'll try to leave a link in the description for you guys so you guys can go check it out. So, anyways, I'll go ahead and continue this video out in the barn. Alright YouTube, just heading out to the barn here. I just kind of want to give the Suburban 10 a quick little once over real quick for tomorrow, because we're supposed to be getting a pretty big snowstorm here tonight into tomorrow, so possibility of no school for me, and also some plowing action, which would be awesome, because I've been meaning to do a plowing video for quite some time now, and I figured, you know, this will be my last chance for to do that this year, so why not do that now? Something I Mountain Dew up here. You know what? I'll crack it open and take a sip real quick before we start continuing this video. So, all right. First things first. Make sure the plow is gonna go up and stay up. Alright. Make sure everything down here is okay. Everything seems to be good. All my plow lift is working good. We do want to check the oil real quick. Check the oil before we start her up and running. I can't remember where the oil fill or dipstick was. Aha, it was right here. Should be okay. It's a little low, but I think it'll be okay. Yeah, definitely gonna have to get some oil for this thing here soon. So, does seem to, I think this engine does burn a little bit of oil, but it's nothing too bad yet. And it also does have a small knock, if you've probably heard in my other videos. So, I think we'll just make it a long video, because it's already pretty long, so. Long for me lately anyway, so. I do want to see how well she's going to start up, and I'll take her for a quick drive, so that I make sure she's all good and ready to go. Yep, plow's all good. I should probably turn the gas on. I'm going to top off my fuel tank before, I'll probably do that before I go back inside here. Make sure, start it with a little less throttle, so that way I shouldn't have to worry about it flooding. And it flooded. Yeah, usually if it's doing this, yeah, it's flooded. Fuck. Alright guys, son of a bitch. Alright, well, this is the reason why I was gonna do all this type of stuff. Because of this issue right here. And I'm glad I was finally able to catch it on video. I don't know, it's not leaking. So I think I'm gonna have to pull the plug, clean it, and then we'll see what happens. Because once I do that, it fires right up. I thought I had that issue figured out, but I guess not. It's pretty cold out right now. I don't know what the temperature is. I'm not going to check. I don't have my phone, so yeah. Just stay tuned till get this thing running. I think we're making progress, so let's see. Take the chip off. Alright, well, I don't really know what's going on here. It was starting to go. Maybe a little more throttle. Little throttle, a little choke. Alright, before I run the battery dead, I'm going to pull that plug again and clean it. It almost went. So, pause this here for a second. I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm going to use both hands for this. Let's see as she goes. Huh. We got ourselves a problem, boys. She's not going. I don't know what's wrong with her. This is why I wanted to do the once-over before we plowed. I don't really know what's going on with it. Alright, I'm going to try that. Pull that plug one more time. It's going to be a long video, guys. I'm sorry. There. So this is what I just pulled out of her. Kind of black, so doesn't explain, or maybe it does explain why it's hard starting so much. So clean it again. It's kind of, this thing's cold-blooded, man. I don't think I should be letting it sit for this long, even though I just ran it like 2 days ago. Okay, let's install it. Okay, let's try this one more time. Oh yeah, I forgot to turn the gas back on. That'd probably help, eh? finally started. Oh my god, that's probably the best, hardest cold start I did on this tractor, and probably since I've owned it. Well, I'm skeptical for tomorrow if she's gonna start, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave it out here to run for maybe a good 20 minutes. Yeah, the winds are coming. I think the storm is on its way in. Oh my god, it's cold. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna get my cold ass inside, so I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.